Welcome everyone, they call me Spoon, and this is today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own t-shirt on Roblox and wear it. Just keep in mind you can't sell this t-shirt unless you have a membership or something. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to roblox.com, and remember, this is only for iOS. So this is my character, and the next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to press this AA button. You want to press Request Desktop Website. Then after you do that, you press Create. Then the next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to T-shirts, and you choose a file, and there we go. Then you upload your t-shirt. Then I guess you go to Roblox and look at your items. And there's your t-shirt. So this didn't come out correctly, but if I was making if the whole purpose was to make a t-shirt, then I would have made a t-shirt and showed it to you, but I didn't really want to do that because I'm lazy. Anyway, before we end, if you guys are ready, if you guys are willing to stay and listen, the reason I made this video is because I want to help people know how to do this, and because I'm hoping the YouTube algorithm is gonna be kind to me for this next video. Not next video, this video. Anyway,